So today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing from the Apple Refurbished store, and it's exciting because it's actually the M1 Pro version of the new MacBook Pro. So these have just come into stock in the Refurbished store, and I thought I'd do an unboxing of what that experience is like. I'm a big fan of using the Apple Refurbished store, and so I thought I'd cover it on my channel here. So without further ado, let's get into this thing and see whether or not it measures up. Okay, so a box within a box. And yeah, there you go. So the Apple Refurbished store is where Apple sells its returned products that have gone through a Apple certified refurbished process. And this could be for any one of a number of reasons. Quite often it's just because they've been returned, people don't want to use that particular model. And so Apple resells them at a discount to you, and they get the same 1-year warranty as if you're buying brand new from Apple. So it's one of the few ways that you can get a discount on Apple products. The MacBooks from the Refurbished store, the products from the Refurbished store rather, just have these different boxes, and really that's the only difference that you should be able to see. So you can see we don't have the design of the MacBook Pro on the front here. We just have this Apple certified refurbished thing going on at the bottom. So let's open this up. We get the same lovely experience of, let's just check that we got the right model here. So I've gone for the 16GB and 1TB version. So I've actually found an upgraded version of the base model, so the 8-core CPU and the 14-core GPU, and I've actually found one that has the 1TB hard disk upgrade. So these are available in the store at the moment. Ooh, this is the fun bit. Take the cellophane off. And yeah, all my other products I've bought from Apple have all come through the Refurbished store. Now, what kind of taints it this time round is that Apple have, in their wisdom, not discounted the products as much as they have previously. So the MacBook Pros the newer M1 Pros of the MacBook Pros are only available at 10% discount, whereas usually, or previously, they would have been 15%. And I kind of think this is because they are trying to make them competitive against the M1 MacBooks, the 13-inch version. And so that's why they've kept it at this higher price, and they know that they can get it from certain people like me. So anyway, here we go. Wow, this is slow. Look at that box. That is chunky. Now, some of the things, so this actually comes in at $18.99. So it is a, like I said, 10% discount on the version that is in store that you can buy upgraded. I'm going to have a look and see if there's any kind of visible differences here with the actual product itself. Because when you're buying refurb, it's obviously been sent back for some reason. Now, quite often it's people like me who buy them and then decide they want to get a different version. So I've already been through that with this because they put the 14-inch version was just the base model back in the store recently. Wowzers, look at that. Also have the braided cable. So this is obviously the more expensive version of what they had previously, so like the 2015 kind of MagSafe chargers. This box is very chunky. So we've got the adapter here. Now this adapter, as I found out recently, is only the 67 watt version because we're going for the 8-core CPU and the 14-core GPU, which is a little bit disappointing because we don't get the fast charging that you can get on the 10-core versions. So I was a little bit disappointed with that. Even so, there we go. We also get a bunch of manuals. So, how to use the MacBook, turn it on. And we do also get, wow, there's just padding in here. It's really thick, but it's just padding, which is kind of sucky. Makes you feel like there's something. So there is stickers in there, but I can't get them out. That was not simple. There you go. Look, got stickers as well, even though it's refurbished. So let's turn this over. Have a look at this. So it doesn't look. So we got, I don't know if you can see that, some marks here. Ever so slight marks there. Another one here. So these are like little scuffs. Feels like glue to me. In fact, actually, that all comes off. But yeah, a lot of these scuffs and things are probably what you're going to find anyway. So I'll have to check out if whether or not these wipe off, because yeah, it's kind of nice to have a nice clean thing. But yeah, you'll probably find that you're going to mark it like that soon enough yourself. But here, this is a bit annoying. Oh, that has come off. That's come off. So I think these are probably just bits of dirt, to be honest. So let's put this plug together. So, there you go. But these are all recyclable now, aren't they? So they're not plastic. They're sort of like a weird papery thing. There you go, 67 watts USB-C. So this braided cable, how on earth did you get this out? See? It's not coming. Oh, finally, come in. So yeah, I might get the bit larger charger and replace this. You can get different versions from other retailers, so I might take a look at them. Let's open this up, because that's what you really want to see, the money shot. Whoa, those speakers are good. That certainly sounds very different to okay. So I'm interested to know what it's like with this notch. Let's move this back a little bit so you can see what's going on. And that screen looks really good. That's an insane screen, in fact. And to see what people mean when they say it is incredible in terms of these ProMotion displays. Anyway, so this is just meant to be a short unboxing. This is for me to now develop on. So the one thing to say about, I'm going to be busy setting these up now, but the one thing to say about this is that the base models that are in the Refurb store because they only have 10% off, some of them are actually more expensive than you'd get from Amazon brand new. And that's kind of mad. I've always used refurbs and from the refurb store, but it is a bit crazy.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
Crumbs. That was unexpected and a little bit scary. So yeah, some of these models you can find online at Amazon, different retailers for the base models. So the terabyte and the 512 gigabyte 8-core, and the terabyte 10-core. They're cheaper with other retailers, at least here in the UK. I don't know what it's like in other countries. So Amazon and John Lewis, they are able to produce these 14-inch and 16-inch versions for far less, which is a little bit crazy. I may well be changing the adapter that I have for the 60 for a 65 watt version, just because I want to be able to get fast charging on this, and I might do a comparison of how fast charging times. So subscribe to the channel if that's something that interests you. Yeah, but I'm going to go through setting this up, see how I get on, and I will report back on this channel. So yeah, thanks for bearing with me and watching this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Okay, bye for now.